Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So what I would like to show you guys is how to turn an ordinary playing card into fabulous hair accessories. So the first thing I want to show you guys is how to look at the card and find different details within it and be able to take those details and use them decoratively and on different types of hair accessories. The first thing I do is remove the white border because as you can see, it already looks so much more chic and ready to go. So one of the details I've noticed is this piece right over here that I've cut out and used on a couple clips as decorative pieces as well as functional, and it helps hold the piece onto the hair clip. Another detail I noticed is this circle, and I've used that as, again, both decorative as well as functional to hold the card onto the clip itself. And there are so many other details within the card that you can see. These beautiful figures on the side that you can cut out. Depending on your level of detail, you can get really intricate, go in with an X-Acto knife and really find all the fun, fine details. You can also use the back of the card as well and notice the illustration and how you can use that in a creative way. So for example, this clip is a face card. So the other side, it's turned it from a regular flat plane to a beautiful illustration telling quite a story. Also using the back of the card, I used a joker on the back of this card to help hold the piece onto the clip. So it's just so many different ways that you can use the cards and make different moments out of each of them. Make sure to check out the rest of the video so you can see detailed tutorials on how to make each of these fun hair clips.